Science plays a major role and influences all aspects of our lives. A basic understanding of science is essential since it simplifies life and broadens our horizons. Every year, India celebrates National Science Day on February 28 in honor of Sir C.V. Raman's discovery of the Raman effect on the same date in 1928. The scientific research in Bharat dates back to the Vedic era. In the modern era, Sir C.V. Raman, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar, Dr. Homi J. Bhabha, and Dr. Vikram Sarabhai were pioneers in the realms of science, research, and technology. The space program in India started in the early 1960s under the leadership of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. He had a strong conviction that space technology could solve the real problems of man and society. Subsequently, the batons were carried by legendaries like Satish Dhawan, Professor U.R. Rao, and many more. Dr. Sarabhai built India's first rocket launch facility at Thumba, near Thiruvananthapuram, on the west coast for its proximity to the magnetic equator. The first rocket was launched on November 21, 1963. Thus, the beginning of space era in the country. The sodium vapor payloads with Nike Apache rockets and atmospheric experiments with RH series of rockets were baby steps in the Indian space history. Dr. Sarabhai strongly believed that satellite technology would educate the masses. His vision led to the initiation of the Satellite Instructional Television Experiment, SITE, the world's largest sociological experiment with the support of American technology satellite ATS-6. This experiment benefited around 2 lakh people, covering 2,400 villages in 6 states across the country. Later, Isro launched a fleet of INSAT and GSAT satellites to meet the country's needs, including telecommunications, broadcasting, meteorology, and search and rescue operations. Isro also launched a series of Earth observation satellites such as ResourceSat, RISat, OceanSat, and Cartosat satellites for various applications and disaster management. India has become the 4th country to establish independent regional navigation system, NAVIC. ISRO has successfully placed India on the global map after successful launch of Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan, and the Aditya L1 missions to explore the Moon, Mars, and the Sun. These missions provide vital information to the scientific community. AstroSat and ExpoSat are planetary exploration missions to conduct comprehensive research on the celestial bodies. Currently, ISRO is embarking on its maiden manned mission, Gaganyaan, paving way to missions like Man on Moon and Bharatiya Antariksh Station. ISRO is committed to promote science and engineering for the benefit of the nation and humanity through indigenous technologies for Viksit Bharat, which will inspire younger generations to reach greater heights in the field of science.